made my share of mistakes, but I am fighting every day to make
They'll be
amends.
coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
We need to come up with a formula to reverse the vampiric effects on innocent civilians.
I've already got one in mind. The Montesi formula.
That's a far more permanent solution than I'm willing to consider.
Sorry, but if they're endangering the night...
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
You're not going anywhere! Ah, that's better.
Insignificant mess. Don't mind me. I'm just dying.
Oh my chaos!
You're welcome.
It was an honor to serve alongside you, Captain. Now, a disappearing.
Leave them to Khonshu.
Better stop that vehicle.
Reborn from the chaos.
Good work.
This is real firepower! Enjoy the amplifier!
Not so fast, friend.
My good deed. I'll patch you up.
Ah, that's better.
That was a total blindside. You got them all!
Happy now, Khonshu? You need their power.
You stopped them in their tracks.
Come! That's my trick.
Coming through.
Leave them to Khonshu!
Goodbye.
Magneto! You need their power. Don't mind me. I'm just dying.
Feeling stronger already. I'm sorry I could not save you.
I'll patch you up.
Fantastic!
Shields up! They've made it halfway! Stop them!
You're not going anywhere.
Problem solved.
Be right there.
Hey, Dee! Enjoy the amplifier!
Khonshu cannot save you this time, Spectre. Ah, that's better. Out of sight.
You stopped them in their tracks!
You're not going anywhere.
Leave them to Khonshu! Man's vengeance.
You stopped them in their tracks!
Feeling stronger already.
Together to victory! This is real firepower!
Be right there.
Fear Magneto!
So many of them.
Only 60 seconds left!
Our foes have found us.
Someone scratch my back!
Better stop that vehicle! There's still a chance to stop them!
Well, hello there.
I won't Won't make the same mistakes again.
The moon haunts you.
Down to 30 seconds.
Fantastic! Ha-ha!
Hold on.
Ha-ha!
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them. Shields up.
A little help, please.
Disappear!
Leave them to Khonshu!
Good work, Susan.
On your toes. Here they come.
Disappearing.
The odds weren't in your favor.
Someone scratch my back.
Goodbye.
Force field. I'll patch you up.
Feeling stronger already.
Hey, team! Problem solved.
Chaos control.
That was unusually satisfying.
Be right back. You are under my spell.
You're welcome.
You stopped them in their tracks.
Enemy ahead.
You're not going anywhere. That's better.
This is real firepower!
You're welcome.
Disappearing. Sayonara. Where did they all come from?
The moon!
Reborn from the chaos.
They've made it halfway! Stop them! Better stop that vehicle! Only 60 seconds left.
Those guys are about to shoot at us.
victory! Surrender your strength.
Fantastic!
Yeah, Magneto!
Disappear!
Enjoy the amplifier!
My good deed for the day.
Shields up! Down to 30 seconds.
I hope you can forgive me someday.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
Leave them to Khonshu!
Ow! That fucking hurt!
The final 10 seconds.
Susan, I don't know if I can go on without you.
Feeling stronger already.
Another epic victory! Big win!
Chaos surrounds us, but I will gladly show it who is in control.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Be right back.
Reality is ending, yet you remain calm and serene. How?
I have peered into the infinite void. There is nothing to fear.
If only we all could find such peace in the face of potential annihilation.
You shall see enough. One way.
The battle starts in
My
5,
magic is growing.
4,
I
3,
disappear.
2, 1. You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Chaos control.
Oh, I need assistance.
Goodbye.
Better stop that vehicle.
Chin up. Under my spell. Goodbye.
Accepted!
Chaos control!
They traded halfway! Stop them!
Under my spell!
Us against the world!
Resistance! Be right there.
There's still a chance to stop them! Then stop that vehicle!
My work here is not done.
They hit a checkpoint! Now might be a good time to stop them.
The cosmos heals you.
Well done, Council. Next time, you may not be so lucky.
Here they come now. Ah, that's better. You're not going anywhere.
I require some aid.
I hope you can forgive me someday, Father.
Let's do this. Do be more careful next time.
Now, a disappearing. Feeling stronger already. Now, a disappearing.
Hostile ahead! It's here.
Chaos control.
Coming at you.
Now, a disappearing.
Gather around!
Mutant kind! Maximum pulse! Maximum pulse! Assistance, please.
Sayonara. Reborn from the chaos.
Better stop that vehicle!
Now, a disappearing act.
Watch me soar! Hostile ahead! They traded halfway! Stop them! Us against the world!
Now, a disappearing act. Feeling
Pure! Chaos! KO! That's 3!
Born again!
now, a disappearing act.
Chin up!
Now, a disappearing act.
Stop in their tracks!
I need healing.
Ah, that's better. You are under my spell.
Feel better, fight better!
I feel stronger than ever.
This is natural anger!
I won't make the same mistakes again.
You're mine! Better stop that vehicle! There's still a chance to stop them!
Now, a disappearing.
Maximum pulse! have
Be
found
right
my lost soul.
You stopped them in their tracks.
Step aside. My fate isn't sealed yet.
Us against the world!
Chaos control! Be right back.
I am wounded. Who will help? They hit a checkpoint. Now my men will have shot for now.
I require some aid.
Pure! Chaos!
Double KO.
Second chance is
That's
over.
3. Better stop that vehicle.
Chaos control!
For mutant kind!
Be right back.
That's not polite. Focus on the battle. They are coming from behind.
I meant you, Logan.
Double KO. Who will help?
Attack
Some
them!
assistance, please.
Maximum!
My work here is not done. Huh. Goodbye for now. You're not going anywhere. Ah, that's better.
Friends, gather around.
Us against the world!
Double KO.
Goodbye for now.
Only 60 seconds left. That's not polite. Oh, I need assistance. Our enemies are here.
Chaos control!
Chin up.
Be right back. Rest easy.
Down to 30 seconds. It's now or never. Stop them.
We can't give up yet. Reborn from the chaos.
Better stop that vehicle.
Maximum
10
pulse!
seconds. Don't give them another inch.
Shield. Perfect.
You'll have to keep fighting until